Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are in Hong Kong. It's my family's first Disneyland adventure. And on this video, I'm gonna show to you the hotel that we stayed in. We chose to stay at Regal Kowloon Hotel located at Tsim Sha Tsui, Hong Kong. It's a 4-star hotel with a Google rating of 3.9. In Agoda, it's rated at 7.7, very good. You're seeing here the back side of the hotel. On this video, we're gonna do a room tour and we're gonna check nearby attractions. The hotel is located at Tsim Sha Tsui, a busy shopping district. It's a 10-minute walk away from the Avenue of the Stars. It's also close to the Star Ferry, Harbor Center, and Sneaker Street. Please subscribe to my channel for more family travel tips videos. Thank you. We took a taxi from the Hong Kong International Airport, and it was just a 30-minute drive going to our hotel. On the scene, we're approaching the hotel. There's a lot of shopping centers and restaurants nearby. We're now entering the hotel entrance, Regal Kowloon Hotel in Tsim Sha Tsui. Okay, we're here at the hotel and you can see the lobby. And here's the reception area where there's a Filipino staff. Okay, so now we will do the room tour. We are at the Club Premier room where there are 2 queen-size beds. This is what shows in agoda.com, 28 square meter with 2 queen beds. Okay, so we are entering the room for the first time. There's a wide mirror to the left, and here are the 2 queen-size beds. We were here for 4 days and 3 nights, and the beds are very comfortable, spacey with soft cushion, and a comforter that will keep you warm. Although this is located at a busy location, we did not have any problems with noise at night. There's cable television and Wi-Fi. Here's the hotel Wi-Fi speed test results. This is a view from our window. As you can see there, that's Avenue of the Stars, just about 10-minute walk from here. We're entering the bathroom and you can see a bathtub, soap, shampoo and conditioner provided with an overhead hot and cold shower. Of course, towels are provided and we're here at the wash area. You can see glasses, hand towels, soap, and a refillable water jug. Check out what's here in the box. There's glasses for drinking, toothbrush, toothpaste, 4 sets, a comb, and cotton pads. On this area, there are drinking glasses, water heater, ice bucket, and cups for tea or coffee. Here are complimentary coffee and tea for the guests. Here's a cooler where you can put soft drinks. And you can see there's Coca-Cola, beer, and that's our own water. Here's the wide mirror for outfit checks. And here is a closet with hanger, iron board and iron, and a safe. And you can see the hallway of the hotel room. Make sure to bring a travel adapter so you can charge your phone and gadgets. Here we're seeing the back side of the hotel. It's connected to a park garden. The park is called the Urban Council Centenary Garden, and we're on our way to lunch at Yuan Key Restaurant. You can also find restaurants, shopping centers, and convenience stores just nearby. This is the night view from the hotel room. You can see the colorful lights at the other side of the bay. Going back to the hotel at night, it's very bright and colorful. Lots of restaurants and establishments nearby. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.